Bunch of bustling birds singing, kissing, and hissing on the tree. Some came from hard-fought day of finding grains. Some bring back the dry straws thrown by the tree. Some even poke the tree and build the nest. At the tree, house them all and even sing lullabies. At the tree, house them all and even sing lullabies. Seasons change. There comes the time for migration. Birds rise with heavy hearts and leave their souls to the sky to fly off lightly. Maybe it never occurred to birds to ask the tree whether it can fly. Maybe it never occurred to birds to ask the tree whether it can fly.